All right, I'm going to start off with chapter 10 of the review guide, and we're going to solve all these problems. All right, so for number one, I'm just going to start looking at that one. It gives me the number of cell phones returned. Okay, I'm going to go through and I'm going to take all these numbers and I'm going to put them in numerical order. So I got a 0, I have a 1, I have 3, and then I have 15, 20, 24, 28. I'm writing these ones down for my paper here. So I got 0, 1, 3, 15, 20, 24, 28. All right, next one is going to be 35, then 37, 39, 40, and then 55. Okay, I've got all those numbers there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through my median. My median's my middle number. I need my mean, which is another word for the average, and then my mode. Okay, as I look at it real quick, I can see right away I don't have any modes. I didn't repeat any numbers. So I'm just going to put a big 0 with a line through it, meaning no mode. So automatically looking at my sheet of paper, I know it cannot be letter B. I know it cannot be letter D, okay, because those ones both had a mode. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the median. So I'm going to count all the numbers. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I got 12 numbers. That means it's going to be in between 6 and my 7th number. Because again, if I go from, let me get a different color pen so I can cross them off. I could go from this one, and then the next one, and the next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, next one. And then these two are going to be the middle of my numbers. So my median, the middle of those, I'll add them together, divide by 2. My median is going to be 26. Okay? And I look on my sheet of paper, and I see that both letters A and B both have the exact same median. All right, on to the mean portion, the average. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add every single one of those together. I have 12 numbers I add together. So I will start off and put them in my calculator here. So I've got 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 15 plus 20, 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 40 plus 55. Okay, I already counted them earlier. I had 12. So I'm going to take all of those divided by 12. My number that I'm going to have, though, was 297 divided by 12 after I added them all together. And I am left with 24.75. So looking at all of those choices, for my choices, the answer for number 1 was going to be letter A. Okay, the mean of 24.75, the median of 26, and there was no mode. Okay, on to number 2. Okay, it says a manufacturer wants to claim that it has a low cell phone return rate. Choose the best measure of the center for the manufacturer to use. So looking at all of those, I'm going to try to figure out the best measure of the center. Okay. I know for sure it's not going to be the mode. I'm not looking for the one that happened most often. So for sure I can count off letter C and letter D. I know those ones really aren't going to give me my best results. And then I'm going to look for the rest of it. I'm looking for either the mean or the median. And the way I would say it is I'm going to check every single one of them, and I'm going to try to find the average. So if I'm looking for the average of everything, I'm going to say it's going to be letter A. I'm going to have the mean as the best measure of center. Okay. Because again, I could have some outliers here and there. But again, if I have the average of everything, the mean of everything, it gives me the best number. Okay. Now I'm going to look at the next one, number 3. It says